Most people on YouTube are telling you to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest wrong. They're telling you to go get your affiliate link and just put it in pins and hope and pray that something works. That's wrong for a number of reasons, which I'll get into in this video. But in this video, I'm actually going to show you the right way to make money with affiliate marketing and Pinterest pins. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and I create content for millennials to help them start successful online businesses. So as I mentioned, most of the people are telling you to do this wrong. They're telling you to just go over to ClickBank, grab your affiliate link, and just put it in there. That's not going to work for a few reasons. One, Pinterest absolutely hates affiliate links. Pinterest hates affiliate links from ClickBank. And so if you do that, your account runs the risk of being banned. You're actually also doing yourself a disservice, because what if ClickBank no longer offers that affiliate program? You can't go back and change the links on Pinterest pins. So like I said, in this video, I'm actually going to show you the right way to do it. It's not that hard. It's just one additional step, but that one additional step can bring you thousands of dollars if you do it correctly. So let's go ahead and you look at Pinterest real quick. And I'm going to just use the example of woodworking because it's a popular product over on ClickBank, but this is going to work for anything. So as you can see here, there are lots of pins about woodworking and miter saws and all sorts of stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a niche or pick a product. For this example, we're going to use woodworking, okay? What we can do is then head on over to ClickBank and we can find the woodworking products to promote. Now, I'm not endorsing ClickBank. I'm not endorsing any of these products. I'm just showing you the opportunity and the best way to do it. So now that you have this figured out, come back over to Pinterest and you're going to take a look at some of the pins that are already up. These pins are the pins that are doing the best, and they all feature someone doing something with wood or woodworking. And that's what you're going to do too. All right, so you're gonna head on over to a website like Pexels. Personally, I like to use Storyblocks because there are fewer of these images that are already out there. And what you're gonna do once you're in Storyblocks or Pexels is you're just going to type in woodworking like this and hit enter. And once you find one, you're simply just going to download it to your computer. So I'm just going to grab this one. This guy is shaving wood or doing something with woodworking, and we're going to download it to our computer. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to head on over to Canva. Now, Canva is an awesome site. It's free to use, and it's actually going to make our life much easier. So we're going to head on over to Canva, and I'm just going to import this video right into Canva. I'm going to type in Pinterest like this, Pinterest pin, Pinterest video, just like this. And it's actually going to have the correct dimensions for us. So this is going to make our life, again, much easier. And we're going to actually start off with a blank canvas. We don't need to use any of these. So I'm just going to grab this one like this. And we actually have a few options. One, we could embed our video right into the one that's already set up for us, or we can delete this and then start over. For simplicity and for easiness, I'm just going to delete this right this. And I'm going to find our video that we just downloaded, and I'm going to drag it right in here. And then we can make a few changes. We could say something like, if we're promoting Ted's Woodworking, we could say, let's say 16,000 plans at your fingertips, like this. And then we could say, learn more, like that. And then obviously we could change that, but what we're going to do is we're just going to download this right to our computer. And once it downloads, I'm going to play it for you so that you can see what it looks like. Download it as an MP4, click download, and then that'll download in just a moment. All right, so now that we've got that downloaded finally, I'm just going to click play to show you what this would look like. As you can see, this is, this is as easy as it gets. We just made a few quick changes. You can obviously change the color and all that stuff if you wanted to, but I just want to show you what this would look like for illustration purposes. Now that we have this is the one step that most people miss, and this is going to be the step that actually will change your business for the better, okay? What you need to do is you need to create a bridge page of some sort, whether it's a funnel with ClickFunnels, whether it's a blog post with WordPress, or if you want to use something free like Google Docs or Google, you can use either Google Docs or you could actually use Google Sites. I personally would feel more comfortable for you if you created your own website with the link in the description. I'll put in the link for you. But what you're going to do is you're going to create a simple web page, and I'll show you what this looks like in just a second. You're going to create a simple web page, and it's going to have basically like a blog post with all of your links. Now, if you're not a great writer, you can hire somebody to do this over on Fiverr or Upwork or, Textbroker or something like that. But what I recommend, if you don't have any money, you can do this yourself. And just to show you what I would do if I were promoting this and why this is such a better idea, I'm going to use my website, alstongodbolt.com. Now, the reason why this is so much better for you is simply because you can't change links in Pinterest pins, but you can actually change links in your blog or website. And so let's say Ted's Woodworking is no longer working for you. Maybe they stop offering commissions. Maybe they cut the commissions in half and you want to change it. You can change it quickly in your blog post, but you can't change those Pinterest pins. Also, you have more control over this web page. So for example, let's say we were going to promote Ted's Woodworking. We could say we could say whatever we want to, really. We could say best woodworking. We could say complete woodworking guide, like this. And then what we're going to do, and just get rid of some of this to give us some more space, we're going to just create a quick blog post where we provide a complete woodworking guide. So everything that somebody would need in order to get started with woodworking. So we could say step number 1, and then have a paragraph about step number 1. And then our next line could be something like, click here to access 16,000 woodworking plans. Like this. And then we come back over here and we grab our affiliate link from Ted's Woodworking. So we click on, whoops, I clicked on the wrong thing here. We click on promote like this. And then let's grab this one, create hop link. And we're going to copy this, come back over, and we're going to hyperlink this. And we're going to open this in a new tab, paste this in just like this, and do that. And so if we preview this, this will be an affiliate link. So if someone were to click on this link, we can make money. Oh, and by the way, what we can also do too is we can go out and we can say step number 2. Step number 2 is get these tools. And then we could go over to Amazon, or we could go over to Harbor Freight or whatever it is, and we could put in our affiliate link. So this actually is a much better way. This can help us grow our website. This can make it easier for us to change the links, and we won't get in trouble with Pinterest, okay? And so what we would do is we'd publish this page, and then whenever we create a pin, we can, and I'm just going to create a pin here real quick. We'll do pins, create pin here. We're going to create a regular pin, and then we can just drag that pin that we found or that we created right in here like this. And then we can say, we could say something like woodworking for beginners, like that. And then we can add in a description that is keyword rich. Now, in order to find keywords over on Pinterest, what you need to do is do a little bit of keyword research. We would do woodworking and then go through each letter of the alphabet. So you can say woodworking projects, or we start with Q up here, woodworking quotes, woodworking quote sayings. We could say woodworking bench, wall art, resin, all sorts of stuff. So just find a couple keywords, and we're going to pop them right into our description here. We could say learn how to go from beginner to expert woodworker in no time. Okay, so make sure you add in a few more keywords. And then with our tags, we can try and find different tags like woodworking. We'll type in wood like this. You can see, and we're going to add all of these different tags for our video pins. And then for our destination link, we can just put in this one link here, alstongodbolt.com. And when people click on our link to learn more, it'll take them to this page that we've completed, and it'll have a complete guide, and they'll have a bunch of affiliate links sprinkled in. Now, again, this is a much better way to do this simply because you have more control over your website. If you just link over to Pinterest, you'll run the risk of your account getting banned. B, if for whatever reason something changes and that affiliate program is no longer around anymore, you lose that pin, okay? And with Pinterest pins, they stay around forever. I have people clicking on my Pinterest pins from 2 years ago. They stay around forever, and so you don't want to miss out on that opportunity. So this is the best way to do it. You are going to obviously create a Pinterest account. I recommend creating a Pinterest business account. You can go find videos from Pexels. I personally recommend Storyblocks because there isn't as many of these pins, of those videos that are out there. You can use Canva to create it for free like I did. Download an MP4, and then you are going to simply create one blog post. All right. And you can simply link out. And again, you can even use Google Docs, like I mentioned, because you can put links in there. I don't recommend that, but that's something that you could do. Ultimately, I think the best thing for you, because I'm here to help you, is to simply use a web page. Create a website, create a blog. It takes 10 minutes. Add in, it doesn't even have to be something, it doesn't have to be very detailed in the very beginning. You can always add to it later on, which is another benefit of creating a blog post. Just get something out there and then you can start linking to it with your pins. Now, ideally, you probably want to upload about 15 pins per day. You also want to create different boards based on the pin titles, the keyword searches that we looked at. So like woodworking quotes would be a board, woodworking for beginners, table routers, all of these would be different boards, but they can all lead back to the same blog post. Now that you know how to correctly promote your affiliate links with Pinterest, there's still a lot to learn when it comes to affiliate marketing. Watch this video next to learn more about affiliate marketing.